Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Soy Marisol. So today I will be reviewing the
Lunch, air lunch. I don't know how to say the name. This product. So
it's a 5-piece curling wand set. It comes in
19mm, 25mm, 32mm barrel attachment for curls or waves of any size. And then it also comes in with a tapered 19 and 25mm barrel. Okay, so that's what it comes with.
let's open this up. Just right now I love
This little box because it has a magnetic close. I am crazy for boxes that have a magnetic close.
so this is how it comes in. Super cute. Look at that. Let's take it out of the box, and it comes in this really nice thick leather case, and then here you go. Voila.
That's what it is. Here's the 5 attachments, and this is the actual thing you put the thing in. So yes, look at that. Super cute, and it has a glove as well. It comes with the butt plug. It comes with this, and then this monstrosity right here. It comes with this. I believe this is a small one, and then oh no, it's the medium one. So this is the smaller one for smaller curls, medium one for medium curls, and then the big one for big curls. And then this is, I actually have a one like this, but it's just this. You can't unattach it or whatnot, but I have this already. So it comes in this. So it's like more thick and then thin on the bottom.
I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't know, essentially like how to do people's hair or whatnot. I just do what I can with mine. So I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm sorry if I am not using this correctly. Okay, so let me go ahead and plug it in. I am gonna go with the monstrosity. I'm gonna go with this one, and as you guys can see, I turned it on and it has an off button right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it has a lock and unlock to put in the attachment. So you just go ahead and put that sucker in and then lock it. There we go. It's locked. You can't take it out. It is not on yet. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Probably not touch the top part. And it's on and it's heating up. Maybe this side. Guys, maybe. There we go, like that. You guys can see, so it's at 200. It's at 260. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Oh my goodies. Okay, this is so nice. I like this. This is so nice. 320 Fahrenheit. Gonna leave that. I'm gonna start suctioning off my hair. Super cute, oversized clip. Let's clip it in there. If it's gonna hold, clip it maybe that way. There we go. It's held. It's held. So I'm gonna part this in half. Go ahead and comb it out. Okay. And since that's already hot, you can go ahead and use the glove. I usually don't use the glove, so I'm not gonna do that. I am gonna roll up my sleeves though. Okay, so let's start this process. I'm gonna get like a good chunk right there, and I'm gonna put those on my over here and start. Okay, and there is the first one. Ooh. Okay, nice volume. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'm gonna do the same size. Okay, let's do the last section. So I usually start with this one off first. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and, no, I'm not going to turn it off because I might have to use it. But here are the curls.
I'm done. Just kidding.
Right back with some oil. I'm back. So I'm gonna put some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Freeze Serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Ni que fueras dress. What is it called? Hairdresser. Swear to God. Okay. So just gently put in some oils on those curls. There we go.
The excess I usually just put on top of my head, como si estuviera cambiando un pinche elefante.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So, now that I'm just gonna put a little bit more under the hair, just a tiny bit more. Just not a hairdresser, so I do not know if I'm doing this correctly or not, but this is what I usually do for my hair. Okay, so there you have it. Cute curl. There we go. Super cute. Okay. So let's go ahead and rate the product. So for price, this was $110, I believe, for the whole set, everything. It was 110, I think. So does it work? Yes, it works amazingly. I love that it shows you here what, like, if it's on or off and the temperature. I love that. And then it has a lock and a seal to a lock and an unlock button. Not button, but like section here. Like it tells you, and it's like they're easy. It's easy to move. So that's how you lock and unlock. Let's unlock it. Okay, it's unlocked. It's still hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my glove and just take it off. There we go. Does the glove work? Yes, it does work. Okay, so it's easy to do that. It's easy to go ahead and put in a second one too. There we go. That's all you have to do. And then you twist it off. And then, like, it's super simple to use. You lock it in place, and it doesn't move, doesn't jerk. So 5 out of 5 for that. That actually, I mean, it works perfectly fine. My curls are perfect the way I want them. For the price, 5 out of 5 too. I don't think this is expensive. I do not think this is super expensive for what it does, and it comes with 5 different attachments, so I love that. So 5 out of 5 for the price. Packaging, I will give it 5 out of 5 for packaging. I loved the box. Love how it came in a really cute leather case, and it has a department for, oops, wrong side. Has a department for each headset here. There we go. It even has a little department to put the actual device where you attach it to in here. Has this really elastic strip here to put the cords and then your gloves. So 5 out of 5 on packaging. Love it. Black leather with the rose gold lettering. So cute.
The box, magnetic box. You guys kill me with these magnetic boxes. I love magnetic boxes. Or boxes that close, or boxes that have a magnetic close.
Love it. For shipping, I'm gonna give shipping 5 out of 5 too, because it took maybe 5 days for this to get here. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 for shipping. It didn't take a week, which was awesome, super surprising. So yes, 5 out of 5 everywhere. Yay! It gets a gold star. So yes, this was my review on this product. I hope you guys liked my curls. Like I said, I don't do hair for a living, so I don't know if I did this correctly or not. It might not even look that good. I like how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. And do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. And have a great week. Remember to love yourself and others. Bye.